And I think one of the biggest misconceptions here is that you have to do it all by yourself. And I mean, you could be a solopreneur, but when you're an entrepreneur, you're actually opening up doors for other people to do things and what they're good at. I mean, there are some things that you're not good at and other people thrive in. So why don't you just let the people that thrive in it do it? Okay, so now I want to talk to you guys about automating your lifestyle, making it easier for yourself, and then being passive about what you got going on. And this is something that a lot of people ask me about, like when they come to me about t-shirt press and stuff like that, or what type of shirts do I use, what type of like material do I get from like the store and stuff like that so I can print shirts. And I tell them that I'm using a POD. I just go through Spreadshirt. They kind of don't understand why. And the reason why is because I'm not the expert. Like I told you guys in the beginning here, I'm not the expert. I'm not the person that knows about all these different cottons and stuff like that. I'm not the person who's going to sit back and line up everything so it can be put together on a shirt. Even though I know how to separate colors and all that stuff, even though I know how to do this stuff, even though I do have a heat press downstairs, and I do actually have materials and I have shirts and stuff like that, even though I do have it, I'm not that person to do it. I'm the graphic designer. I'm the person that's putting together the graphics. I'm the illustrator. I'm the person that's drawing that stuff out. And then on top of that, I'm not even passionate about putting stuff on a shirt, okay? Like I'm passionate about it looking good. I'm passionate about it fitting the actual target audience that it's going for. I'm even passionate about the narrative, but I'm not passionate about printing out graphics, lining it up, making sure that it actually fits the actual shirt, pressing it down, and then shipping it out. That's why I use Spreadshirt, because Spreadshirt actually does that. They're actually passionate about it. That's a company that allows that to happen. As a matter of fact, they fulfill for you. And then if that person doesn't like what they got, they can send it back to Spreadshirt, and Spreadshirt can help them out. I don't want to deal with customer service, right? Like, that's why a lot of people quit this business, because they don't want to do anything in customer service. They feel like it's a one and done, and then somebody gets the wrong order, and then they have to sit back and go through the records and stuff like that, lose out on money. That's not the thing that I'm into. I'm into marketing. I'm into advertising. I'm into graphic design. When you're the expert of those, then you want to go ahead and let other people get the other slack. You want them to pick up the slack for you. I had to learn this from my boss when I was working at the library. Even though she can sit back and learn web design, even though she can sit back and learn advertisement, that's not her job. That's not her job to do. She hires people to do that. And that's what you guys need to start thinking about, because if you're going to automate your lifestyle, like as in like this is what you're gonna do for the rest of your life, as in I'm a graphic designer. On Monday, I'm gonna draw out my designs. On Tuesday, I'm gonna make the designs. On Wednesday, I'm gonna make the advertisement for the design. Thursday, I'm gonna make sure that the market appreciates the advertisement, and on Friday, I'm gonna let that go. Where do I have time through my Monday and Friday to sit back and then make a shirt? Where do I have time for that? I mean, I do, and I can put it into my day, but if I want to be like the best of what I am, I need to make sure that I'm doing that automatically, okay? I need to make sure that those 5 days set aside for what I have to do to be successful. So automate your lifestyle. Get you a POD. Spreadshirt is pretty awesome. Just gonna keep it real. Spreadshirt, like, yeah, and their shirts come out smelling like vinegar sometimes. And yeah, they do take a little bit more of the cut when it comes down to it, but you have to understand they fulfill, they ship out, they make the shirt, they print the materials, and you don't even have to worry about customer service because they're gonna take care of the customer service side as well. Automate your lifestyle, and then things become a little bit more passive, because like once people start noticing that's what you're doing Monday through Friday, and then on Friday they got a new shirt coming out, they're gonna start noticing that on Friday that shirt looks even better. Okay, so like if you're a graphic designer and that's all you want to do is graphic design a shirt, then on Friday they're gonna look forward to that shirt. It's almost like YouTube. You guys know on Monday, Tuesday, and Friday, I'm uploading something. I really don't upload much on Friday anymore like I used to, but I will when I start vlogging again. Monday and Tuesday, you guys can almost be guaranteed that I'm uploading something. You guys can find more knowledge, and that's what you guys subscribe for, because Monday and Tuesday has been my hotspots. You know that on Monday, I'm talking to you guys about something, and Tuesday, I'm giving you a design lesson, and you guys appreciate that, and then more people look back for those. They look back for that. They go back into like the history of what I'm uploading to see if I'm uploading every Monday and Tuesday. And then with that, it becomes a little bit more passive. The subscriber rate becomes passive. The like rate becomes passive. And it's just stuff like that that you guys gotta start thinking about, because it's not about just having a one-hit wonder, okay? It's not all about that. It's not always about you having something that's gonna go viral, okay? Viral is cool, but if you guys have a following and they're a passive following, they're the ones that are always coming back, then you're always gonna have some type of success, because you're loyal and they're loyal to you, which is why I call you guys the loyalty. I do it for you guys, and that's what you guys need to figure out for yourselves in your clothing line and stuff like that. Who you gonna do it for, all right? Who you gonna do it for, and are you passionate about it? Okay, if you're passionate about it, what is your passion? Is it enough for you to automate it? Okay, is it something that you can do every day of the week? You just get up and just do it automatically? And then are people gonna appreciate what you're doing? Are they gonna be passive about it when it comes down to it? Or are they just gonna follow you because that's what it is? So that's just a little knowledge that I want to drop to you guys today. I know last week I dropped the ball, and I'm gonna put up something for you guys because you guys got me to 6,000 kind of quick. Like, I was just at 4,000 at the beginning of this month, and now I'm at 6,000. I think that's really cool that you guys are actually plugging into that, and I want to thank you with that by showing you guys something different. So in the next video, yeah, I'm probably gonna be dressed like this because I'm recording on the same day, but I hope you guys can appreciate it. And if you like this one, go ahead and give me a thumbs up. That would really be helping me out. And then subscribe if you're new, because I do this all the time, Monday and Tuesday, like I said, all the time. And make sure that you hit the notification bell, because I put out stuff all the time too. So if you want to stay updated on the things that I'm doing, then go ahead and show me some love on the notification game. But with that being said, you guys, I got to get up out of here. So stay amazing, stay creative, but above all else, stay awesome.